if you want to be successful on YouTube and you want to be an artist also, then you must know some techniques with different mediums, cause if you are repeating the old history, nobody is going to watch your video, and if you are not versatile with your artwork, people will not be interested so much. So today I am going to help you with one of the very interesting technique with watercolor which most of the people don't know, and by using this technique so many mesmerizing artworks can be produced. So do one thing, just have a full look of this video. It will take only few minutes and you will learn a very unique technique which most of the beginner artists don't know. Hey, I am Sutapaghosh. In this video I will explain all the steps with negative painting with watercolor by which you can create amazing artworks. So without wasting time, let's start it. Hey guys, for negative painting, the materials we need, first of all, watercolor paper. Here I am using Boostro's Artist Watercolor paper with 25% cotton, and it is a cold press paper specially designed for wet and on wet technique. Okay, next, Camel Artist Watercolor cakes and Dayal Artist brushes. This video is not any sponsored video. The materials I'm using here are my own, and without wasting time, let's start the painting process along with some water. First of all, secure the edges with a masking tape. Now select a structure that you want to draw on the page. Here I have chosen leaf structure. You may select any as per your interest. These leaves are the uppermost layer leaves, means they are on the top of all other layers. Once it is done, select a color. Here I have chosen green color for the leaves. You may select any color as per your choice, but the color should be very light and the amount of water will be much more. Cover the full page with the first layer. Time for next layer. Select a dark color and carefully fill the rest areas apart from the leaves. Hey my friends, while you are working with negative painting technique, keep in mind one thing. While you are applying your second layer, let the previous layer or first layer totally dry. See, now the layer is totally dried. See, that's why I am going to apply the next layer. So always wait. Watercolor needs a lots of time and patience. So don't do zippy. Just let the previous layer totally dry, then you apply the next layer. Now select a mixed tone with much more darker color and then draw the rest leaves as per your imagination. Once done, now feel the area where there is no leaf portion is visible. Very carefully feel the rest areas. Repeat the same process for as many as layers as you want to go. Here I have done only 3 layers to show you. See, all the layers are clearly visible. You can easily watch 3 layers. Very beautifully it came out. You can go 6 to 7 layers or more as per the quality of the paper. The more higher GSM you will select, more layers you will get. Hey friends, so this is all about negative painting technique, and if you think this video is useful for you, then please support with a like and share it if possible. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel to support me, as I want to reach my target as soon as possible, that is 1K subscriber. And with your support and love, I will definitely reach my target. So see you on next video, while I will going to explain any more technique with some new artwork. Till then, take care.